Hello everyone, I want to give you a quick introduction to our Vindikta Saddlebag guard. This guard's fitment is for 2009 to present Harley touring models. I designed this guard around the fitment of the stock extended bags. However, it does offer quite a bit of protection for the non-extended bags as well. I think that the lines that I designed into this guard really complement the lines that are on the touring models. One of the other key features that I designed into it is this unique taper up here. It's a nice smooth transition. However, on the bottom, it sits nice and tight up against the side cover. Plenty of room still to pull the side cover out without this looking too bulky. And I think it just blends well with the lines of the side cover in that whole general area. This guard is available in black. It's also available to order in chrome. With each pair of bag guards that we ship out, you'll be receiving an upgraded stainless steel mounting hardware kit. And every pair of guard shipping will receive this QR code. When you open the package, take the code out. You can scan it with your phone. It'll take you right to our short 3-minute install video on our YouTube page. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. You can email us at info@vindikta.com. All our contact information is on our website, vindikta.com. Thank you for watching. I hope you like these. Thank you.